Well, the mayor of Sandy is working with a coalition of local businesses that is planning to challenge the state's COVID-19 emergency orders. 2 days ago, Governor Brown extended those orders right after Oregon health officials recorded the highest weekly death count since the pandemic began. It's been a rough week for the pandemic, with Oregon health officials reporting 100 COVID deaths over just Tuesday and Wednesday. Governor Brown followed that grim news by extending the state's emergency COVID-19 orders by 60 days. The orders put a wide range of restrictions on what are considered higher risk businesses, from banning indoor dining to preventing health clubs from operating.
We wonder why we watch the Blazers and Ducks on TV, but we can't work out at our local fitness center. And I think it's outrageous. And these business owners do too, especially when they're being so adversely hurt and their employees are being hurt. The double standards really need to stop.
Sandy Mayor Stan Pulliam is working with a coalition of local businesses that plan to defy the governor's orders starting January 1st. He says the idea, which is spreading on social media, launched after a local Sandy business owner asked him to meet with her.
I showed up, and it wasn't just her. I had every business owner just about of my Main Street community, from restaurants and bars and fitness studios, that were ready to open.
Today, news broke of a new strain of COVID-19 that health officials in Europe say is 70% more transmissible than previous strains. It caused Prime Minister Boris Johnson to do a sudden about-face and lock down London and much of the UK except for essential businesses for 1 month. We asked Sandy's mayor about the timing of his efforts to reopen.
If I see people being hurt by this pandemic that outweighs the hurt that's going on Main Street right now, sure, I'll look at it. But as leaders, we've got to continue to look at the entirety of how our actions hurt people.
Well, we asked the governor's office for a response to the mayor's request to reopen businesses, and we are waiting to hear back.